Hello everybody and welcome to the Creafoam channel. My name is Hans and in this video I'm going to show you how to finish your hat with fabric like this. First of all, when you apply a piece of fabric, you need to take the same color in foam as the color of your fabric. How you apply the fabric to the foam depends on what type of fabric you use. You can use double-sided tape, you can use a glue gun, or you can use a glue spray, or maybe you have some glue lying around. Just try it before you do the whole hat. When you use a thin material and you use a glue gun, what happens? You can see the glue underneath the fabric. Sometimes, because of the heat, the fabric melts. So be sure to test beforehand so you don't ruin your whole hat. So for this type of fabric, you can use double-sided tape. I've applied some tape already. So let's pull this off. So this is the part we want to apply the fabric to. The fabric is already flat on the table, and now we'll just put this piece on top of the fabric. So now we can cut the fabric that we don't need. We can cut it off and then we'll glue this part together. One side you have to leave 3 centimeters or an inch, so when we glue these parts together that we have a little part to overlap. We'll use this side to overlap so that it's nicely finished and you can hardly see the seam. For this type of fabric we can use the glue gun, so we'll take another hat and glue this fabric on top. Place this fabric flat on the table and position your piece of foam, and then do like this and apply the glue. And you can work your way this side and then the other side. There's no need to glue this whole piece. You can just glue the edges and that will do. You can also apply the glue on the foam like this. Now the same as before, we'll cut the excess fabric away. Again, one side leave 3 centimeters, 1 inch to overlap later. So now we'll use glue here and then overlap this part, and this piece will be finished. So these hats are finished. You can use other finishing materials as well. We have videos on that, so be sure to check those. For now, thanks for watching and see you again.